Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be discussing hot corners, which is demonstrated right now. As you can see, just gone to the top right corner and it is activated my hot corner to go to the screensaver. Bottom left is lock screen and bottom right is desktop. I'm going to be showing you how you can do that in this video. Let's get going. So first, let's talk about the setup, which you are going to go to System Preferences and then Desktop and Screensaver. And in this bottom right corner, there is a feature called Hot Corners, which is what we need to enable. So let's go there, and you can see now that there are 4 options that you can change, which is obviously each corner of your screen, and you can now customize it with these options for what you'd like them to be. Normally, I do not have something in the left corner because I think it gets in the way of the Apple logo and the functions that come with that. However, I have noticed throughout this video when I've been using the hot corner on the left side as a function that it doesn't actually get completely in the way. It just depends how much your mouse goes to the left, but sometimes it can be very annoying, especially if you want to just do something very quickly and click that Apple logo. Well, anyway, that is enough for the left corner, but I think the other 3 corners are must-have features that you enable on your brand new MacBook or iMac, and that is because they allow you to do quick actions such as locking the screen, putting the screensaver on, putting the display to sleep, and other options. I like to have my bottom right one as a desktop feature because this function allows me to act quickly and go to my desktop and drag and drop things from my desktop onto another application. I suppose this is more useful than the Windows desktop bottom right feature, as you cannot exactly do this on Windows, although you can use the normal command while control and copy or paste keys, but I find that this is a very useful feature for going straight to the desktop. Please let me know if you are going to be using hot corners on your Mac, and let me know what you've customized for those hot corners. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Peace.